And welcome back. Today we have the Oyajia massage office chair and we'll be unboxing and putting it together. Sorry about my masking technique, trying out something new, but let's go. So I've emptied out everything from the box. In there you have your fasteners, your screws, and then there's a supply tool for it. Connectors and that's this in here. So empty that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. You've got the struts, a few more connectors there for the base. Rest. There's a footrest, backrest. Or the connector for the massage. There. Feature is over there, and then that is the bottom bit of it. Yeah. So let's see what the manual says, and then we can put this all together.